Mastering everyday English. Get a move on, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and lively English phrase, get a move on. This phrase is used often in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get a move on with our lesson. Get a move on is an idiomatic expression that means to hurry up or to go faster. It's often used in casual, informal situations. The phrase can be directed towards others or used to motivate oneself. Let's look at some examples. We need to get a move on if we want to catch the bus. I told my brother to get a move on or we'll be late. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to convey urgency and the need for speed. The origin of get a move on is somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have originated in the early 20th century. It's a phrase that's still very much in use today, especially in spoken English. It's important to note that this phrase is informal, so it's best used in casual conversations rather than formal or business settings. There are several variations of the phrase that carry the same meaning. For example, make it snappy, hurry up, chop chop. Understanding these variations can help you recognize the phrase in different contexts. Let's practice using get a move on in sentences. 1. We need to get a move on. The movie starts in 20 minutes. 2. Can you get a move on with your homework? Dinner is almost ready. Try creating your own sentences using this phrase. And that's a wrap on our lesson about get a move on. I hope this video helps you feel more confident using this phrase in your everyday English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't hesitate to use get a move on next time you're in a hurry. See you in our next video.